This is going to be the park-in deck elevator near IKEA in Paramus, New Jersey. Let's see if we can get there as quick as possible before the store closes. And I'm sorry, guys. It's very hectic in the store, so it's probably going to be impossible for me to get the cab myself. I mean, nobody's probably gonna use this elevator, so. Yep, here's IKEA. Ooh, loud bell. Looks like we're stopping. I think a lot of people are going to IKEA. You going down?
Yes, please. I'm all lost.
Yeah, the store is closing really soon, so it's going to be very hectic.
Close at 9?
Yeah. Let's see. 8:37.
Yeah.
If you're going to ask what time.
No, I'm just, my car wasn't outside when I walked up. I was like,
Okay. You have a good day. You too. Let's hope both of these elevators are working because only one is working. Let's do a quick call button. Schindler logo. We're going to make this video very quick before all the stores are closed. And both of these elevators are installed in 2003. There it goes, and that's it.